Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing good. In today's video, we are going to discuss about K-turtle loops and learns. Our today's video is on page number starts from page number 56 to 58, right? So let's see what we can study in this chapter. The first topic of this chapter is the comments topic. What are the comments? Comments are sentences that explains the logic for using a certain command or describe what a command does in a specific program, right? When we are going through a program, we have made a program and a length, especially a lengthy and a complex program. So in that program we are writing some commands, right? For our own future reference, or if another user wants to read that program, so for it is for his convenience that we write some comments in the program. These sentences will explain the logic for using a certain command in the program. They help in understanding a program for other users also, especially in lengthy and complex programs. Okay. Comment statement is ignored by computer when a program is being executed, right? The comment statement is not visible to the compiler when it is being executed when the program is running. A command line starts with a hash symbol. In the program, when we want to write some comment, we have to write the hash sign first and then the sentence, and its general format is like this. After putting this sign, we can write anything that this will not be visible to the user or compiler. Okay. Next thing is the comparing operators. Comparing operators is like there are few operators which are explained. These operators are comparing operators. Their results, the results of these operators, they help in the looping statements and conditioning statements in the long run when we do the programming. Okay, so these operators are here. This sign is used for equals to. This sign, exclamation mark and equal to sign, is it means not equal to. This is a smaller than sign, this is greater than sign, this is smaller than and equal to, and greater than and equal to. And equal to means and or not, or our logical operators, and right now we are using and operator here, right? If it results true if both values are equal. Not equal to, it results true if the values are not equal. Smaller than, it results true if value 1 is smaller than the 2. We will see this with an example in the next slide. So what are the containers? Containers are the variables. Initially we call them containers, but later on those containers are named as variables in the programming language. Containers are the special memory spaces which are used to store the data temporarily for a program. Containers are also called as variables. Variables are of different data types like numerical and string, and they store this kind of data. Either the data will be numerical or string type. In the following example, the variables are with numerical data, and variables are written as $A and $B in K-turtle, right? Here, containers or variables. Let us consider that variables contain numbers. So $A equals to 5. These are the assignment statements. $A is assigned the value 5 and $B is assigned the value 7. So now the use of operators is here. $sign A equals to $sign B, false. It is wrong. No, 5 is not equal to 7, so it is false. So $sign A is not equal to $sign B. Yes, it is true. 5 is not equal to 7. $sign A is less than $sign B. True. Yes, 5 is less than 7. And $sign A is greater than $sign B. It's false because A is 5 is not greater than 7. It is smaller than. $sign A is smaller than and equal to $sign B. Yes, it is true. Next is $sign A is greater than and equal to $sign B. No, it is false. Right? So these are an explanation of the containers and the variables plus the operators and their results. Next is the Boolean values. What are the Boolean values? Boolean values have only two values, which is true and false. These are called as the truth values because system checks the relationship of a statement to the truth, which can either be true or false. True means yes and false means no. If the statement if the relationship between the statement and the result is true, then the statement will be executed, and if the relationship is false, then the statement will not be executed and the loop will end or the if condition will end. Thus the result of the comparing operators. So all the conditioning depends upon the result of the comparing operators can only be a Boolean value that can be yes or no, right? Either the yes or no will make the decision that whether we have to whether the program have to go on or stop the loop. Understand? Let's see what we can do on KTurtle. We just bring our show to an end and go to KTurtle. Here is the KTurtle screen which works for us online, right? So KTurtle app online works here for us. Here launch KTurtle with limited capabilities. Here make this screen bigger for your use. Next is for the comment section. What are the comments? So comment is while writing a program, okay, if I write, so writing a program is, suppose I write here reset enter $sign A equals to ask bracket open and close, और ask में हम लिखेंगे, we will write in it double quotes open and close. Please enter your age. Sorry. Enter your age. Okay. Ask. And now next line. If $sign A, if $sign A is greater than 12, then curly braces start and write welcome. Okay. For welcome or the string we will write the double quotes. Done. Finish. And now I want to give a comment. A comment starts with hash sign, a message box will appear. So this line is invisible to the compiler, but it is helping to me that what will happen next. Now I will run the command. Okay, welcome message. Yeah, message welcome. Run. Oh, right. So my command is working here, right? Let's see again. Let's see the output. So that message box will appear. I think it got hang. Online है, दोबारा से hang हो गया. Hope that will be here. Run. Yes, open window. So the message is here. Please enter your age. ठीक है, तो मेरी एज को क्या होना चाहिए? इज ग्रेटर देन 12. सो माई एज इज ग्रेटर देन 12. ओके, open welcome, right? So the command sign is not visible still if it is written there. So thank you.